Welcome to Infoveave. Here is a quick video on how to customize visualizations on your Infoboard. To start, go to Insights menu and click Create Infoboard. Select a blank template and click Designer Layout. Next, click on Select Data Source. Drag, drop, or double-click a widget onto the designer canvas. Under Configuration, select the source, measures, and dimensions for your widget. To customize the widget, for example the axes, under Customization, click Categorical Axis. Here, you have options to show or hide the axis name and adjust the font style, size, and color. You can also change the position of the axis name and adjust the gap between the axis and the name for a clean look. Let us configure another widget and customize it. Under Customization, click Series to customize the color, font style, size, and label position, inside, outside, or centered, for dimensions. Follow the same steps to customize other options. Thank you for watching.